Hey everyone! If you're like me, you probably signed up for a few too many subscriptions during a weak moment. We all know the drill: free trial, then BAM, another monthly charge you completely forgot about. Rocket Money is great, but maybe you're looking for something different, maybe something cheaper, or with specific features. Today, I'm cutting the fluff and giving you the straight-up best Rocket Money alternatives for tracking those sneaky recurring payments. This is based purely on my hands-on experience using these apps to manage my own finances. Let's dive in. Top Alternative 1, Monarch Money. First up, and my personal favorite for a comprehensive view, is Monarch Money. What it is, it's an all-in-one financial dashboard, budgeting, net worth, and yes, excellent subscription tracking. My experience, I found its recurring section automatically identifies all my monthly and annual charges with incredible accuracy. What I love is the granularity. It shows the payment history, which is super helpful for spotting price increases over time. Straight to the point, it's best for users who want to consolidate all their financial tracking, investments, loans, budget, alongside their subscriptions. It's a paid service, so if you're serious about your finances, this is a premium tool that's worth the investment for the detail and interface alone. Top Alternative 2, Quicken Simplify. Next is Quicken Simplify. Quicken has been around forever, and Simplify is their sleek, modern answer to all-in-one financial tracking. What it is, a budgeting and tracking app with a strong focus on cash flow and a dedicated section for recurring expenses. My experience, Simplify is fantastic for seeing what they call your spending plan. It pulls out my subscriptions and bills, separates them, and then tells me how much I have left to spend for the month. It was the most helpful for figuring out my true spendable income. Straight to the point, choose Simplify if your main goal is easy to use, clean software that helps you see your monthly budget impact from your subscriptions. It's generally less expensive than other premium options, making it a great budget-friendly pick. Top Alternative 3, InAB, You Need a Budget. My third choice is InAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. This one is for a specific type of user, but it's powerful. What it is, a zero-based budgeting app that uses a unique methodology to give every dollar a job. It integrates your subscriptions directly into your spending categories. My experience, while it doesn't have a dedicated cancel my subscription button like Rocket Money, it forces you to acknowledge every single subscription cost. Because of its method, you literally have to set aside money for Netflix, Spotify, etc., so you're never surprised when the charge hits. Straight to the point, InAB is for you if you want an active, hands-on approach to budgeting. It has a steeper learning curve than Rocket Money, but it completely changes your relationship with money and spending, including subscriptions. Quick mentions, free and simple options. Finally, let's quickly hit on some options if you just need something super simple or free. NerdWallet, it's free. It's a great place to see all your accounts and credit score, and it does a decent job of flagging recurring charges. A simple, no-frills dashboard. Bobby/Subby, iOS/Android. These are specialized, manual trackers. You input the subscription details yourself. No linking bank accounts, it's low-tech, high privacy. I've used them to track the subscriptions I pay for with work cards, keeping them separate from my personal finances. So, which one is right for you? If you want an advanced, all-in-one financial picture like I do, Monarch Money. If you need a simple, budget-focused tool, Quicken Simplify. If you want to fundamentally change your money habits, InAB. The bottom line is you have fantastic options beyond Rocket Money to keep control of your subscriptions and stop the forgotten charged cycle. Thanks for watching. If this helped you find your next money-saving app, please give the video a like and subscribe so you don't miss my next video. I'll see you then.